Hi, I'm Margie from the Earth Heals. Today we are focusing on seasonal recipes. Today I am making pumpkin bread. You'll begin with adding a full can of pumpkin into your stand mixer. To that you're going to add some Greek yogurt, just half a cup. And we'll beat that up. Then you're going to add in your maple syrup and your sugar. And then you're going to add your eggs. You'll want to beat this until it's nice and fluffy. Then you will add in your dry ingredients. It's 1.5 cups of flour, a teaspoon of baking soda, and half a teaspoon of baking powder. Just mix that in slowly. Next are the spices. I use allspice, cardamom, I use cinnamon, cloves, and a little bit of nutmeg. I like to use the nutmeg, the whole nutmeg, and then I like to grate it with this cute little grater. So we're going to add all those in. We're going to just make sure that's incorporated. You want to scrape down the sides. Oh, it smells so good already. And then you just add in chocolate chips. These are for Jessie. I'm making this bread for her. I like to add, I like these little tiny chips. I like to add about maybe a half a cup. Now you're just going to spoon the batter into your glass bread baker. I use parchment paper to line the bread pan. Pan is the word I was looking for. So you can see how delicious it looks. And you're going to bake this at 350. Start checking it at about 50 minutes.